alright.
Oh, and there's a bit of clutch.
Oh, you gotta love that smell, ain't you? You gotta love it. It's a beautiful smell.
I'll tell you something, I'm so glad that I uprated this one and put the loft clutch in.
Does it make a hell of a difference?
Yeah.
Really?
Really nice course.
It is. That snorkel sounds insane.
Oh, I love the snorkel. Have you still not got one?
No. We keep breaking things instead.
I absolutely love that snorkel sound. And I do in the summer drive with the window down just to hear that.
It does sound good. That's quite sandy, isn't it, that front? Oh, practice start. It has to happen at some point.
This is a problem, because I now have no...
The handbrake is in it. Maybe now's a good time for a like, comment and subscribe.
So while we're off-roading, guys, I'm going to do my like, comment and subscribe. You ready? Like, comment and subscribe, everyone.
Woo!
We're going to drop down here.
Now's a good time for a like, comment and subscribe from you, Tom.
No.
Like, comment and subscribe.
Yay! I actually didn't think you were going to say anything.
I thought you said no. I ain't rushing this.
Hang on, I feel like I'm going to turn this around and do a POV kind of. Not POV, the opposite. Concentration face.
Is that the RC car?
Yeah.
They've designed this really well.
Actually,
I'll give
yeah.
you credit, because I was doubtful a little bit of what the FL2 could do.
We're not going to spin it anymore.
Yeah, this is actually pretty good.
Oh, the state on the outside of this.
Bouncing around.
It's literally going straight in this window.
Yeah.
Look next to me.
I literally keep eating dust.
Keep your mouth shut then.
Well, I don't mean to, you know.
I don't think that's what
Yeah, we are.
Doing 2 laps.
At least we know when to brace ourselves for the second lap.
Oh yeah.
You'd think anyway, wouldn't
we
you?
know where to next.
Yeah.
That's my leg, sorry. I've got leg judder going on. So we'll have a moment before we do the second lap, but we will go straight into it.
I need to somehow try and catch the sound of the snorkel without losing the GoPro out the window.
I mean, I do have enough on my phone that records sound.
Oh, really?
What do you think?
That would be even worse. I'll drop your phone out the window.
No.
Go for a lap on the course and come to the back needing to buy a phone.
I'm literally just following the distance. I don't know where I'm meant to be going. That looks fun. I think that's the bypass.
Yeah.
But we're not wimps.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, that's Warren's rock sliders doing their job.
They really are.
Oh, definitely.
Bit cross axles, isn't it?
A little bit, yeah. Here we go, so you don't have a word.
Send it.
Sorry?
Diff lock?
Diff lock? What do you mean diff lock?
You've not got a diff lock in your Freelander?
No.
So the choice is the hill, byway or byway.
You reckon we'll do the hill?
With enough welly.
Yeah, hill it is.
Real straight.
Yeah, we'll get it straight and then we'll send it.
Send it.
Send it! Bloody send it! There you go, mate!
Go on, little Freelander.
Say little, it's a big Freelander.
Well, yeah, it's a big Freelander.
boss of the
It's a Freelander beast.
Bigger the world!
Oh, and there's a finish.
I can't lie, I don't think he thought this car could do it.
It was when he says diff lock, and I'm like,
So are
come
you
on, everyone
taking the
knows.
biscuit? I can't work out, was he taking the bit?
I think he was a little
Yeah.
bit, but I think he can tell that this is not. It's not that it's not standard,
Yeah.
because it is basically standard. You know, all we've done
Yeah.
is thrown some body protection on and lifted up a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, there's not a lot done, but
Compared to what you can do with your discos and such like.
exactly. Oh, is that it?
This is bomb hole or not bomb hole, I guess, at this point, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think I just saw Ben and Katie and oh yeah, they're over there, and Harry.
Thumbs up.
Yourself down. Wow! Wow. Fair play.
See what it is.
Uh-oh.
Oh!
They're actually quite deep.
This is all about off-roading, guys.
Wow. Nailed it.
Yes!
We did it, boys! Flip you, Marshall. Flip you.
Say that again, Alfie.
Flip you, Marshall. Did you ever see this video? We did it!
Woo!
Going again.
Wait.
Oh, that was brilliant.